Hi guys! Today, ang pag-uusapan natin ay tungkol sa composition of function. So, tara! Wait! Like ka muna! Sana all mag-subscribe! Okay, paano nga ba ang composition of function? Okay, ito yung notation nun. So, f composed of g of x. Minsan, ito ay binabasa na f circle g. Okay, so composition of function din yan. Or, ito yon. So, f composed of g of x. So, meaning, yung g of x ay ipinasok mo sa mismong function ng f. So, dalawang function ang involved dito. Okay, so, for example, we have the first function, f of x. Okay, f of x equals 2x plus 1. Okay, tapos meron tayong another function, g of x. G of x is x squared minus 2x plus 2. So, dalawang magkaibang function. Ang f of x ay linear, ang g of x ay quadratic. So, ipi-perform natin yung tinatawag na composition of function dito sa dalawa. So, first we will have f composed of g of x. So, ibig sabihin, ang gagamitin nating main function is yung f of x, which is 2x plus 2. Pero, instead of x, ito, isa-substitute natin dyan yung buong function ng g, yung x squared minus 2x plus 2, doon sa x ng f. So, bali hindi mo na gagamitin yung 2x plus 1. Instead, ang mangyayari, magiging 2 times yung function ng g, which is x squared minus 2x plus 2. Right. Then, copy the remaining terms of f of x plus 1. O, diba? So, imbes na x yung gamitin, yung x squared minus 2x plus 2 ng g of x ang ipapalit natin. Okay? Okay? Sige. So, to continue, we have i-perform nyo lang yung distributive property dito. Multiplication by distribution. So, trinomial yung sa loob. So, bali ang 2, i-multiply mo sa x squared. You will have 2x squared. Again, 2 times negative 2x, magiging negative 4x. Then, last 2 times positive 2 ay magiging positive 4. Diba? So, then, copy the remaining term, plus 1. So, ganon. Pagkatapos nito, tingnan mo lang yung mga similar terms dyan. So, similar ay ang 4 at 1. Okay, so 2x squared at saka negative 4x, hindi sila wala silang similar terms. So, kokopyahin lang yon. Okay, so in f composed of g of x, so, copy 2x squared minus 4x, walang similar terms sa mga ito. So, diba ito yon? Plus 4 plus 1. So, since similar sila, 4 plus 1, okay, so that is 5. So, therefore, ang ating resulting function is 2x squared minus 4x plus 5. Okay, ito yung tinatawag nating composite function. So bali, dalawang magkaibang function, parang i-combine mo lang, tapos naging isang function sila. So, one distinct function. So, kumbaga, ipinasok mo lang. Okay? So, pwede bang baliktarin? Okay, pwede. So, kanina we have f composed of g. Ngayon, pwede naman natin gamitin yung g composed of f. So, bali yung f of x naman dito, ipapasok naman natin sa function ng g. Okay? So, bali ang main function natin dito yung g. Okay? Sige. So, same given. F of x, 2x plus 1, ganun pa rin. Yung g, the same. G of x equals x squared minus 2x plus 2. Okay. Ito. So, kung kanina, ang ginamit natin ay ang 2x plus 1, tapos yung x, nag-substitute lang tayo ng buong function ng g. This time is the opposite, since g composed of f na ito. Okay? So meaning yung gagamitin natin is yung x squared minus 2x plus 2. At ang lahat ng x dito, ito. Okay. Papalitan natin yan ng 2x plus 1 dyan. Okay. At saka dito. Alright? Okay, sige. So, paano ba yan? Okay. So, una, instead of x squared, dito tayo sa baba. Para magkasya. Okay. So, instead of x squared, ang mangyayari, magiging, okay, burahin muna natin na. Okay, 2x plus 1. O, diba? Wala nang x squared. Hindi na tayo gumamit ng x. Instead, yung f of x, yung function ng f of x, minus 2x, another x na naman ulit. So, meaning, okay, i-substitute natin yung 2x plus 1 ng f. Alright? Plus 2. O, diba? So, ganun lang kasimple yun. So, ang bawat x na makikita mo sa g of x ay pinalitan ng f of x, which is 2x plus 1. So, since meron tayong dalawang x sa g, so, dalawang beses rin ipinalit si 2x plus 1. Kasi, continue natin yon. So, g composed of f of x, so, baling nangyari doon is, una is 2x plus 1 squared minus 2 times 2x plus 1. Okay, tapos yung last term ng g plus, okay, 2. O, dito, i-evaluate mo lang yung dapat i-evaluate. Okay, so, magsimula ka sa exponent. Follow GEMDAS rule or PEMDAS. Okay, so, pag square natin yung 2x plus 1, so, special product ito. Okay, square of two terms. Square of binomial. So, yung answer doon is 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. Diba? Now, this time, we have negative 2 times 2x plus 1. Monomial times binomial. Multiplication by distribution lang. So, 2, negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Plus, yung remaining term na 2. Okay. Sige. Pagkatapos nito, okay. So, nakumpleto mo na. Ang gagawin mo is, you look for those similar terms. Okay. 4x squared, since wala, you copy that. Okay. Then, another terms with variable x. Meron tayong positive 4 at saka negative 4. So, mangyayari, pag ini-combine natin yung 4x at saka negative 4, magiging 0x. Magiging 0 na siya. So, hindi na natin kailangang isulat pa yon. Understood na pag 0, wala na yon. Diba? Next, similar terms, positive 1, negative 2, at saka positive 2. Dito naman, ang answer is positive 1. Kasi negative 2 plus 2 is 0, plus yung positive 1, positive 1. Alright. Yan. So, meron na tayong answer. That is now the composite function of g composed of f. Diba madali lang? Diba pasok mo lang eh. Yung second function sa first function. Huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe. Paalam!